including Purdue and Kinley. RM of Brentcoy, including Delisle, Asquith, and Brentcoy. RM of Montrose, including Donovan and Swanson, and RM of Dundurn, including Dundurn and Blackstrap Cross Park.
22h50 HM, c'est le jeudi 7 juillet 2022. Une alerte d'orage violent vers normal de l'est en vigueur pour MR de Perdu incluant Perdu et Kinley, MR de Venskoy incluant Dolly de Asquith et Venskoy, MR de Montrose incluant Donovan et Swanson et MR de Dundurn incluant Dundurn et Blackstrap Cross Park.
Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm warning at 10:50 p.m. Central Standard Time, Thursday, July 7, 2022. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for RM of Purdue, including Purdue and Kinley, RM of Brentcoy, including Delisle, Asquith, and Brentcoy, RM of Montrose, including Donovan and Swanson, and RM of Dundurn, including Dundurn and Blackstrap Cross Park. At 10:50 p.m. Central Standard Time, Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing very strong wind gusts, up to nickel-size hail and heavy rain. Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm